na sabanga tamza wunso na misobito. So banga tangza wunso. Una mesobito tutti mona bonsieto musoba yena. Sieto musoba yena. Bima de tu mwesi kese mazono. Uno, biti kutu servisa. Ye mambo makala bonsiku mazono. Uno mika mambo mankembo. Babingi vavanga vo mambo ma. Sikapita mwana yakala masiko. Manaka muntu akakamuvumo kyandi. Oh, davaza viba.
Oh, habaka bantu bole menzambi lokena. Fwete yanga la Umbelolo na munjatulo za Kembo kwa yahandi Sudiang kenchut sudiang zambi tutanga beto kuna kumakongo Mungong ketoliana falanga piabiozo Flame hologo yeah Kembo kwa mfumo Panamboka Kunana roto emuko Muta Fumure elemu Kayo yo yo Tubutukanga Nganayo, je vous entends pas.
Tubutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
Tubutukanga.
Ebelo mame, olo zankento gogo.
Tubutukanga.
Ngarale maloro, lele obolongo tobo.
Tubutukanga.
Tubutukanga yo.
Tubutukanga.
Alaya jorojo.
Tubutukanga.
Rémi Lémon.
I didn't realize how many mistakes I was making in English until I started to use Grammarly.
It's like having a proofreader and in English.
Prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant.
C'est Lusambu. Lusambu, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambia Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Banatunu za yalulendo fumu Banatunu za yalulendo Banatunu za yalulendo fumu Banatunu Tata wekuzulu umbaku yasembe Wayambidikandi yasala okoma Fumu yalulendo Gebidi bia biosono Wayambidikandi yasala okoma Bantu pe munzagi Eberi wasara bozo Wayambidikandi yasala okoma
Zambe Congo na Kosambela Mozani siwa Nicolo na se Kembo na Congo na yo Mozani siwa Bikela Monionso
Yalulendo Banatunu Yalulendo fumu Banatunu Palembolo kimi numpasi mukota diosulu Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilungu Bia osono bingana ngewa salabyo Kwai yapirikandi ya salaboko maku Vama toto ngepi vama piwa vaga bifweji itama Matupeba bonsoro vana beki belo kyo kya sungama Kunazu ye kutono Mwaku ya zamutao
Kiambote kieno. Gizambote. Kiambote kieno lundoloka. Gizambote. Kiambote nengotariwa. Tata nerudeni kiambote.
Diambote.
Oh, kiambote ditondele. Nengotariwa she's on. Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to share my slide. Hello, if you are watching for the first time, this is Kikongo language class. Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon. Oh, spoken in Angola, Gabon. Then what I do? Can you help me? Congo spoken in Angola, Gabon. Then, please. The Democratic Republic of Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. Oh, something's going wrong with then what I do? Tata Nerudeni, just quick one. I mean, just to help you to catch up, yes?
Okay.
When we say thank you, Tutondele, the root word is, the verb is tonda, yes?
Tonda. Okay.
Tonda, to thank, yes. Tonda. Oh, she's back. Ngwatadio, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Oh, thank you. Tetale, welcome.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome, okay. Yes. Quick one. We need to help Tata Nelden to catch up. We can't see him, but he's there.
Okay.
He's hidden. Okay. When you say to tondele, the verb, thank you very much. He's here. Tata Nelden, thank you. When you say to tondele, matondo, tondele, all the same thing. The verb is tonda. Yes?
Yes.
Tonda.
Yes. Now, Tata Nurian, yes? Question?
No, no question yet. Thank you.
Tata Alan, question. Just,
No question.
okay, I have a question for you, yeah?
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes. Tutondele. They thank you. Then them. They thank you. How do you say that in Congo? They thank you.
That's interesting.
Always third, the plural always with be.
Boutondele or Beetondele?
Yeah, well done. Batondele. Then what I do, yes?
Yes,
Batondele.
Batondele.
Tata Nurdeni.
Yes, them.
If I try to use my pointer, our computer is very slow. I don't know. Okay, anyway, you can see the. Yes. Matondo. Thanks. Tondele to tondele. It is Gikongo, but on Congo Central, usually they say Matondo. They are right. No one is wrong. But on the other side, the Angola side, we usually say Tondele, Tondele, to Tondele. Have you noticed something, Tata Ale? We usually say to Tondele, see? Even one, yes?
Yes.
Why do we do that?
Well, if you're thanking someone who's an elder.
Yes, this is, you're right, yes. Grammatically, this is what we mean. But it's often used because people are Congo tradition, yeah? We are
Respectful.
very traditional, yes. It is because of respect, yes. Tonda, the verb, matondo, thanks, yes, general. Tondele, I, to tondele, you, tata, nengote de so. You many are thankful.
Lutondele.
Lutondele. Tata, did you get that?
Yes, Lutondele. Or can it also be La Tondele?
Nutondele, N, Nutondele, yeah.
Oh,
Either L-O-N, Nutondele, Lutondele, yes.
You're saying it could be N or L for the we?
Either L-U or N-U.
Oh.
For second plural. Yeah, that's only, yeah? Correct? Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
So, the English say, what is the quote?
Yes.
They say that there's a quote in English, master, how to say it? Sorry. A jack of all trades, master of none. Our objective here is to master one aspect or two aspects of Congo grammar, Kikongo grammar. Yes, totally, yes.
Yeah.
That's why I keep going and see, going around all the time. Let me tell you, yes.
Yes.
Don't get bored because this is how we learn. Because the class certainly is not conventional, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're online once a week. So, yes, tu tondele. Tonda is a verb. Okay. You could say nu tondele you many or lu tondele. Tata. Yes.
Yes, understood.
Second person, second plural, either lu or nu. Tondele me. Okay, let me just move my other slide. Just fingers crossed. We're going back to the same lesson. Name what time I missed it. Okay. Let's try to share this and stop this. We're going to pronoun of yes, this one. Emphatic pronoun, yes. Remember, I'm going to tell you
The emphatic pronoun.
emphatic pronouns, pronoun insistence. Remember this? You missed the lesson. Okay, let me just
I
go
think
quickly.
I missed the lesson.
Yeah, let me just go back to. Tata, are you comfortable with this one?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. Who's here? Hey, welcome. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Sorry.
No worry, understandable. The weather is good, temptation, you just say. Although parks are gone, the lawn is gray, how to say, yellow. So. Yeah, thank you very much. This is Nengwa Nadi from England. Why in England?
Yeah.
Birmingham, yes? Yes, because we have Birmingham.
Yes, Birmingham, yeah.
Certainly, we have Birmingham, Alabama, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, this is UK. Utondele. Okay. Oh, just in time, don't worry, we are not late. Okay. Wait. Okay, we will. Let me just go back. I said that we're not running, going slowly. Malembe, we say Kikongo, yes?
Yes.
First from Nengo Tadiwa, I need to translate my Kikongo. Malembe tu kwendila. This is easy. You be repeating the kwenda. Malembe tu kwendila.
It means bit by bit you succeed. You reach there. Something like that.
Malembe tu kwendila. I'm using verb kwenda. Just try to explain malembe slowly, but I want you to think of kwenda. Malembe tu kwendila.
Slowly we will go.
Well done, bravo. Yes?
Yeah, Kwenda, go.
Kwenda is go, yeah. Malembe means slow. Going slowly, yeah. Malembe to Kwenda, there's no rush. But because we want to make sure we master at least 2 or 3, even more, aspects of Kikongo grammar. This is very important. Okay. Going back, same topic. Pronoun of emphatic. Kikongo, this is Kikongo. Okay. Nengwa Nadi. Can you just read the singular, please? The column singular.
Yeah. Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi.
Thank you very much. I hope you've noticed something. Suffixes, remember? We have Ame, Aku, and yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then what I do, plural, please.
Kweto, kweno, kwau.
Yes. That's an order, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. You will be speaking proper Kikongo, good Kikongo. Because Professor Hazel Carter said that this course is for you to speak. I think you've noticed that, yes? This is not for, that's why I'm not giving you a list of how to conjugate verbs. You understand me, Tata Nelden, yes?
Yeah.
We went slowly, but try to talk. Get this, we're going back to, need to practice soon. Okay. Lingua Nadi, can you read first, please?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
They are formed with the radical ame, aku, di,
You fading your
eno,
line.
au, preceded by the practice. Preceded by the practical kau.
Yes. Cool. You
Yeah.
ready to
Do you want
keep
me to read
Congo?
everything?
Cool. No. Just KU.
Cool.
How you pronounce it? Cool. Kuna. This
Cool.
was yes. But basically, this is we're talking about the pronoun of insistence pronoun or emphatic pronoun. Understand? Pronoun. We mean it. Yes. When we say pronoun emphatic, of course, to emphasize. Yes. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This is what we mean. Pronoun of emphatic. Yes. So ame, basically you ku plus ame gives you kwame. Yes, son. Yes. Okay. Then what Nadi? Question.
Yeah.
Can you read the first
Yes.
blue line in blue, please?
Wambote Kwame Ngina.
Well done. Good pronunciation. Well, Wambote Kwame Ngina. If I say Wambote Ngina, what do I mean? What do I mean? Nengo tell you. Wambote Ngina.
I'm good.
Yeah. And now, okay. 1 minute. So Nengo Nadi. Let us. Well done. Yeah. Nengo tell you. If I say Wambote Ngina, Nengo tell you. Translation into English.
Means I'm good.
Yes. Tata Nerudian. Yes.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. I mean, I'm dropping Kwame. Remember, these are 2 questions. I'm dropping Kwame. I'm saying Wambote Ngina. That only translation, please.
I'm good.
Yes. Okay. Now the test for you, Nengwa Nadi. Now anyway. The translation is there. Now I'm saying Wambote Kwame. I'm inserting Kwame. What do I mean, Nengwa Nadi?
I'm very good.
Yes, I'm
Very
really
well.
good at me. Basically, you're underlining, yes? Emphasizing, yes. Kwame. Any question, yes? Any question?
No.
Yeah. We are going to the application soon. Okay, the second line, Tata Neruden, you're hiding. The second line, please. Can you read, please?
Yeah. Mfumu, Bata, Mfuidi, Kandi.
Well done. Fumu vata fudi kwandi.
Kwandi.
Fudi kwandi. If I say Fumu vata fuidi, what do I mean? Tata Neruden? Fumu vata fuidi.
The Mfumu, Bata, Fuidi.
Is there on the board?
The president is dead.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm adding Kwandi at the end. Kwandi.
The president is really dead.
Thank you very much.
Emphasis.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Thank you. Yes? Question?
Yes.
Question. Go ahead.
No, I don't have no questions.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's thank you. The last line. The green, please.
Luisa Queno Mbazi.
Thank you very much. Okay, now I'm just going. I'm not going to emphasize, just normal talk, yeah? How do you say come tomorrow? We're dropping something here.
Louis
Ambazi.
Thank you, well done. Then the other way around, we want to emphasize. Nengwa Nadi.
Winza Kweno Bazi.
Yeah, thank you. Remember, I keep saying that anyway. We need to memorize. Nengwa Nadi, yes? Are you comfortable with this one? The Ame Aku, yes? Need to memorize these suffixes, yes? When we here, see here, the person is saying Luisa Kweno Mbazi, we know because there's an N, they mean you many, yes? Yes. Yes.
Say that again, Tata and Panzu.
Yes, remember here we have Eno is there the suffix, this one. Eno.
Yes, it's plural. Okay. Plural.
Yes, they mean the person saying that you many come tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes.
No excuse, of course, because of Kweno. But yes, I'm glad we are comfortable. Now we are going to apply. Yes, we're going to apply our knowledge now. Fingers crossed. I'm not going. Totally. I'm not going at all. You say as a first person.
Okay, I'm not going.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Totally.
Oh, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Okay, I'm not going.
Good to start with K-I, you know the double negative first. Yeah.
Oh, Kiame.
Your verb first. Yes.
Kiameko.
Sorry?
Kwenda Kiameko?
Well done, Kikwenda Kwameko, yes.
Kikwenda Kwameko.
Kwenda Kwameko. Name yes? Are you okay?
Yes.
Kwenda means the verb to go. Kwiza to come. So we are using the negative. In the Kikongo, we use double negative as like in French. We're not copying French. Just a coincidence. In French, when you say je ne, as soon as you say ne, we're expecting the pas at the end, yes? Je ne veux pas, I don't want. You understand French, I know that, because I read your profile. Yes? You said that you speak French, yes? Yes. Now, Nengonadi, over to you. I'm not going at all.
Kwame.
You begin with ki. Okay. Kikwenda Kwameko.
Oh, Kikwenda Kwameko.
Yes, you have a verb kwenda. Kikwenda Kwameko. Kikwenda Kwameko. Ki and ko. Let me just write it quickly for you to catch up. Kikwenda Kwameko. I'm not coming at all. Nengwa Fediwa.
Kikwiza Kwameko.
Well done. Kikwiza Kwameko. Now, Nengwa Tadiwa. Tata Nerudeni, sorry. Tata Nerudeni, you talking to Tata Allen. You affirming, you're saying that you are not coming at all.
Tata Mpanzu, is it with Kwenda, I'm not coming or I'm not going?
Kwenda to go. Coming quiz.
Okay. So, what do you want me to say?
What was the question? Is you talking Tata? No, then you talking Tata Allen. You tell him you affirming. You saying that you are not going to. You're not going at all.
Okay. Kikwenda kwame ko.
You're not talking about yourself. You're
Oh,
telling
okay.
him you're
Tell
not
him.
going at all.
Okay. Let me see.
Let me help you. The negative is a KU, huh? The negative. KU,
Yeah.
yes, KU.
So it's kikwaku.
And instead of ki, you use ku, then carry on the verb, yeah?
Oh, kukwaku, kukwenda, kwaku, ko.
Bravo, well done, yes. Nengwa Nadi test. Him, her. She's not going, he's not going. Let me just try to help. The negative is KA. But you have the answer on the board. We had a bit.
Oh, so him, her will be
No,
kukwandi.
don't worry. That Nengwa.
Okay.
Nengwa Nadi. Over to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're talking about the third person. She's not going. She's not going at all. He's not going at all. Instead of using KI, use a KU. Sorry, KA. Sorry.
KU. KA. Okay. KA.
Ka. You start with ka, then you put your verb.
Kaku. Kwaku.
Verb first. Ka. You have a verb. Your verb is to go.
Ka. No, I need help.
Okay, who can help us, please?
Is it Kakwenda Kwandiko?
Bravo! You be the teacher and try to explain to Nengwa tell you why.
Okay, so Ka goes with he, she. So Kwenda is the verb. And then Kwandi is the, what is it, emphatic?
Emphatic, yeah.
Emphatic for he or she. And then ko is the negative.
Bravo.
Or the not going.
Yeah. Let me just try. Yes. We're using the third person, Kwandi. Yes. Let me try to display that. I know you're there. Don't worry.
Yes.
I forgot. I know you're there. Let me try that Nengwa. Let me just try Nengwa Nagi. You don't need to share this because you missed this one. Kikwenda ko or kikwiza ko. I mean, kikwiza is good. Oh, sorry. Kikwiza ko. Kikwiza ko. This high. Let's say in Kikongo, this E, it's hiding two things. That Nurdin can help us.
It's hiding the U.
It's pronoun, personal pronoun, but not the U.
Oh, the A, sorry. Is that correct? The A, no.
Is that the ame? Is it ame or?
Let's say standard personal pronoun. By the way, it's just what you're seeing there in English, something. Say it in English.
I or more?
Yes. Then one idea, okay. Yes?
Yes.
Now, here we're saying kikwenda ko. I'm not going. The verb is to go is kwenda, but here, take note, very important, idea. Ki, I'm reading Kikongo.
Mhm.
Ki, it is negative. Ki goes with ko, yes? Like in French, je ne veux pas. Double negative.
Mhm.
But, let me just ask you a question. I mean, I'm going to give you an answer at the same time. The verb is kwenda. Where is I here? Where's me, you, first person?
Key.
Yes, there's another I hidden here because we have a key as key with code, they go together. Then the hidden I, first person. That's why both of them are first person. You go to second person is your negative turn. Yes, that turn everything, yes.
Mm.
Third person, ka, kwenda ko.
Okay. So the key represents the pronoun.
Yeah,
Was
we have, yes, we have the key as a ki.
mhm.
Key with goes with co negative, double negative. Then we have another small I, another I hidden, which is your pronoun, person pronoun. I as in English.
Okay. So this I that's hidden personal pronoun refers to me, first person.
Bravo, yes.
Okay. Okay. So when we say, well, maybe I'm just trying to understand
Go
maybe
ahead, yes.
all the first person pronouns, because in the beginning we started the sentence with wa wambote, which is I also.
I can't hear you. Tata, come close to your microphone, please.
Can you hear me now?
Better, very good, yes.
Okay. In the beginning, we started the class with wambote, which was also I.
Kwamboti.
The sentence was wambote kwame ngina.
Ah, okay. I got you. Yeah. I
Mhm.
got you.
So I'm
I
just trying to
understand. You
understand
are right. Just
the personal I pronouns. What is the personal I pronoun? Because here it's different.
yeah, just put that aside at the moment. That I know what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Otherwise, it would be confusing. Thank you very much.
Okay.
But yeah, good that you spotted that. That's good. Okay, let's just focus on this one. Nengote, are you okay? Yes. Tata, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Second.
So this is only for the negative, right? That goes with the co.
Yeah, let's just take it like this as for the time being, yes, because
Okay.
I don't want to confuse you. Because in Kikongo we have a clear pattern. I could say I may be wrong. 92% of the patterns are good, but the rest are yes floppy. Yes, you can't define it properly. Are you with me, Tata Neruden? Yes.
Okay.
That's why I don't want to confuse. Just focus your attention on what is clear, easy to understand. You master that. Don't worry about the as in any other language like this. I just want you to get this. First
Okay.
person. First person. Yes. Let's say it in English. I'm not going. Personal pronoun is here. So we have two I's. Yes? Because the key, Ki, goes with ko. But the I hidden is first person. Correct?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, here this is second person. Kukwendako, kakwendako, third person. Now I want you to help me first. Plural, please. Very easy. Starting with ka.
Kakwandi.
Well done. Well done. You don't jump to Kwenda. We need a personal pronoun. You know that. I'm sure you know that.
Katu.
Bravo. Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yes. Katu.
Yeah. Katu. We are not going.
Mhm. Yes, Katu. We are not going.
How do you say that? We
Oh,
are
okay.
not going.
So that would be
Katu
Katu Kweno.
Kwenda. Bravo. Bravo. Well done. Well done. Nadia, how do you say you many are not going? You begin by with ka, yes. Then you add. Here was katu first.
Katu.
Second plural. No, we don't use the we don't use two. We're using something else. We're using lu. Kalu kwenda.
Kami.
Kalu kwenda. Kalu, yes. The third, and what I do a third plural?
Is it kawu?
Sorry?
Kawu. Oh, is it kaba?
Use B, use B.
B-A.
Use B. Kaba.
Kaba kwenda.
Kaba kwenda. Kaba kwenda all the same thing. So Nengwa, Nadia, you're a bit confused, but don't worry, we're going back to this. But remember, ame aku andiv. Katu kwenda ko. Even when I'm teaching Kikongo, I have to be careful because I don't want to confuse you because you don't want to get in mess. I mean, just focus on whatever's clear. Just focus on that. Are we okay? Yes.
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 Because the temptation is always to try to compare with Western languages. This is Bantu language. This is ours.
Yeah.
This is how we talk. Yes. Okay. Here we have Kikwenda ko is there. Kakwenda ko. Which pronoun is hidden here? Name what? Nadi. Second person. Kukwenda ko. You are not going. I'll give you the answer.
I.
No, this is second person.
Oh.
Second. You are not going. Sorry? Bravo.
You?
Yeah, bravo. So remember, this you is you. You as in W-O-U. Yes? At the same time, we have ku, K-U as a negative ko. They're going together. Then we have the second person pronoun hidden here. Are we okay on that? Tanya, am I fast?
No, you're good. You're good.
Yeah.
Oh, but by the way, that you is Y-O-U, right? As in you first person.
Yeah, as in put in English, yes. You, yes. Yeah, did I answer correctly your question, Tata? No?
Yes. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
if I say sorry, the not strong language. If I said I want to tell someone, you are a robber, or not negative, anything bad. How do you say that? You're a thief. I'm direct. I'm talking to you face to face. You are a thief. Thief in Kikongo mwivi, mwivi. So. Sorry, in Kikongo.
Do you say onge with?
Bravo. We just go make it easy. Umwivi. See?
Umwivi.
I'm using just u, yes?
Okay.
Certainly, yes.
So that O assumes gay.
Yeah, put aside the ngay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Focus on it. Otherwise, just every time we learn about one aspect, forget about others. Yes.
I got you.
Otherwise, we mess. It will be a mess. Yes.
Yeah.
I just want to name 190 to get it. Thank you very much for coming. Name 190. Did you see that? If I want to say
Yes.
something, you are. I mean, any word you want to say, of course, proper word. You are. I don't know what I want to say. You are.
Happy.
Okay, let's use a nice word.
Happy.
You are a good person. Hmm? Hmm? Mwana. We use mwana. Mwana mbote. Yes. Tata ale. Say to someone. You tell you face to face. You are a good person. You are mwana mbote.
Mwanambote.
How do you say that? Nengwa tata ale. You talking to nengwa tadiwa. Correct. Yes. Make your life. Nengwa nadi. Did you get that?
No, I couldn't hear. Sorry.
No. Okay. Let me try to go back quicker here. I here is Ki goes to ko, but we have an I hidden. Yeah, understood? Yes. Here we have a Ku, ku goes with ko. Yes, the double negative, but our verb is here, but personal pronoun is hidden here. Second person. If I say you are a good person, umwana mbote. Our pronoun is here. U. I mean, basically playing two roles. Yes, you got ka I, yeah? Negative, but at the same time the I, your vowel is I. The same I is your personal pronoun. Yes, I think we should stop. But let me just go quickly. But here we have two lu. First singular. Sorry, first plural. Sorry, very hot here. Very hot. Second plural, third plural. Question, Tata Nerudeni.
No, I see. So ka tu, ka lu, ka ba.
Yeah.
First, second, third, fourth, ba. Okay.
Tata Nema Nadi, we are not going. You start with this one.
Katu. Kwenda ko.
Bravo. Remember, I'm not a linguist. I'm just teaching Gikongo, but the linguists, they're saying that we have to write it as a one word. See, that's why sometimes confusing. You don't stop. You don't pause. You don't say katu kwenda. You just say katu kwenda. Yes.
Kwenda ko.
Okay. Katu kwenda. Yes, but to make it easy, we're learning. Let me just repeat myself. Ki as a key. They go together with ko, but here on the other I, hidden is your personal pronoun. Same thing here. We have a ku, ko, negative, double negative, but the U is you. You first, second person. I don't want to touch A, no here because it's confusing, yes? I want to spell it that talent. I don't want to confuse you, but let's just put this aside for the time being. But go to first plural to lu. Can I remove my table, my text? Yes. Tatale, please say to Nengwa Nadi, you are not coming.
Nengwa Nadi.
Director, go straight to the. Don't worry about the formality. Just go straight to pronoun and the verb. Yeah.
Kiandi Kwendako?
You're not coming. You're not coming.
As in me, like me. Oh, okay.
You talk to her face to face. You're not coming. Quiza the verb. Come.
Okay, so key
I is you. Is me. First person. We use a second person.
So it's cool. Okay.
Well done.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Kukwizako.
Kukwizako. Okay.
Keep going.
So you want me to add the emphatic, or is it just?
No, don't worry about that for the time being. You are fine with the emphatic. You are fine. I just want to get the pronoun. You see the way they use. It's a bit confusing because you have a KU.
Yeah.
Who and co negative, but at the same time the KU, your personal pronoun is hidden there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's confused. You need to master that.
Yeah.
Nengwa Nadi. Let me just. Okay. First person, second plural. You many are not coming. To come is quiza. Remember ka.
It's a kaba.
Well done. Almost all there. That's the plural, but after
Kwatu.
One kalu.
Oh, kalu.
Kalu Kwizako, yes.
Isako.
Kwizako. What about us? We are not coming. TU.
Kato.
Well done, Kato Kwizako. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. This is a language, no? I don't call it down like this is a language. We have our own grammar, all this stuff. Okay, anyway, we are live. I need to control myself. We're stopping there. Any questions, Dr. Neldeni?
No, it's good. Thank you for the explanation.
Yeah. Kikwendako. It's me. I'm not. Kikwendako. Tutondele. Thank you again for your time. Nengwanadi, thank you. I know it's hot, but we have to come here. We have to serve this language. Yeah. Basically, I keep saying Kikongo language is dead, but we need to fight, yes?
Yep.
Because in the village, Wilufuta, let's Mbanza Congo, ni Sumpi village, young ladies are speaking, they only speak Kikongo, Lingala. They're just speaking Lingala, then of course their own children are going to speak Lingala. Then the grandchildren, of course. I'm going to tell you any question.
Okay.
Go ahead, Tata Nuri, go ahead.
Okay, so you said Kikwenda. You said that to yourself. You were going, right? And so
yeah, Kikwenda, yes, first person.
Yeah. So if I said ve Kikwendako, is that correct? No,
it is correct, very correct. I just want you to get bit by bit.
Okay.
To master each aspect by their own, yes?
Okay, so I did say that correct.
Yes?
Very.
You're right, very negative because no, I'm not going.
Okay.
You can just say I'm not going, of course you know.
I'm just testing.
Yeah, you're right, well done. Very, no. Basically you say, no, I'm not going. That's good, correct. Tutondele, Luenda Kiambote.
Okay,
Nusala Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.
Tutondele.
Quieto, yangani.